Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? So today we just finished the day, and today was very good. I was able to do other stuff, especially on the computer side, on Python side. I realized that most software engineers, most programmers, they don't sometimes realize the power that they have, which is that they can basically build anything. Seriously, they can build anything. Let's say you are a programmer, you know how to code and everything. And let's say you want to maybe build a website. You can build your own website. Let's say you want to automate something like maybe a task that you have to do, but you want to automate it so that it can be faster. You can do it. Let's say you want to build a chatbot, like a RAG chatbot using OpenAI and LangChain. You can basically do it. Let's say you want to build a game, you can do it. Let's say you want to build a lead generator for businesses, you can do it. Let's say you want to build an AI voice agent for businesses, you can do it. Let's say you're looking for a job, right? But you can automate that. You see what I'm talking about? You can use N8 and even you can even code it or use N8 and an AP5. Get a Nocta over there and N8 and then you just automate it, you scrape the jobs, and then you send them to OpenAI. It's going to rank them based to your skills and everything, and you can send them emails. So today I was doing a calculator project. Basically, I started with basic stuff like use an exception, an if statement, and everything. Just put them together, and I use that. After that, I put the function on it and plus the exception. So that, and then there was a third one which was doing it for math people. You know, because in math they got stuff like derivative, integration, trigonometry, and other things, right? So basically, what I was thinking is like create a calculator for that, like that's going to use those libraries in Python and then pull them together. It's gonna be great. That's like a little bit advanced. So I'm thinking about building that. And after building that, I'm thinking about building another one that's going to combine RAG and those kind of libraries, where like and also OpenAI. So basically, it's going to take, let's say your statistic book. You have a math book, you have a statistic book, you have a calculus book, or whatever the fuck it is. You put all those into a RAG, and then you get like what can I even say? You put the data into an agent. It's gonna have the data into a model. Let's say a model. You're gonna have the data, right? Then you use RAG to retrieve the data from that. Let's say a user is maybe asking for an explanation in probability. So you're gonna use RAG to extract the data from the books, from the bunch of math books that you train your model with. Then take the data from the use OpenAI to craft a an answer and then send it to the dude that just asked her. So basically that's an advanced model of a calculator. So we started as a calculator project, we went to function, then we're gonna go to using the libraries, the Python libraries and all that. And then after that, we're going to combine that with AI and rock and a bunch of shit, put them together, and then another project. So basically, the shit I realized with coding, programming is like I always wanted to program, but I didn't want to go through the stack because I knew it was going to be fucking hard. So I spent fucking 4 years procrastinating on that bullshit. It's crazy, right? 4 years. But it's not like I wasn't taking programming classes. I was taking programming classes in school, at school, right? But I never really went deeper in that. Just take it for the grades and shit. But now that I'm starting to really go deeper, I mean, I guess I realized that it's one of the power that you can have. I think it was Naval Ravikant that was saying that if you know how to code, you can build anything and you can do anything you want to do. I mean, some stuff are really hard to do, but the way I say is like you need to be limitless. You need to know that with coding, you can do it. With programming, you can do it. Yeah, some stuff doesn't exist yet, and that's where you come in. You build those stuff. You see what I'm talking about? Let's say Python didn't exist before, but there are people that build Python. That's the same thing. Most people nowadays just tend to think that technology is just something that's going to stay stagnant and some stuff like that, bro. People in the past built the technology of today. That just means that people in the today will build the technology of the future. So if you don't want to be part of it, if you just want to be a consumer, just use the technology that people of the past built. That's up to you too. Everybody got their own choice of what they want to do. But if you want to build the future, because like Steve Jobs said, everything that was built today, everything that you think of technologies today was built by people that were no smarter than you. So that means that the cars, even the phone, everything, they're built by people like you. So that means you also can build it. And coding is one of the levers that you can use to build. Coding is creativity and being able to solve problems. Being creative and being able to solve problems. And then the other part of what Naval Ravikant was talking about was what I'm doing right now, media. I'm recording videos, so it's for that. One of the reasons where I even started recording videos is because of Naval Ravikant. It's true that I wanted to record videos. The thing is, like, that's so funny because, if I remember correctly, 2 years ago, I was thinking that if I came to the United States when I was maybe 12 years old or 13 years old, I was going to start a YouTube channel. But what's stopping me of starting a YouTube channel now? You see what I'm talking about? It's all procrastination, like I was talking about. Sometimes you procrastinate, sometimes you think that, oh, if I started earlier, so I could have been better, would have been better and everything. Since you have a thought of starting earlier, so start now then. Let's say you were talking about like if I had come here when I was like uh, 11 years old, I was going to start a YouTube channel and shit. But bro, you didn't do that. You came here when you were fucking 15. And you didn't really know about, I mean, you knew about YouTube, but you didn't just want to do it. You're talking about that you didn't have the what's it called again, and you didn't know how to speak English. or you didn't have the fucking accent and everything. Even right now, my accent sucks. Most people will say that my accent sucks. So, but I'm still going to do it because with speaking to you guys, with talking to you guys, I improve my accent and I improve myself little by little. That's the whole point. You don't need to be perfect to start something. You just need to start. You start now. Let's say 4 years from now, 5 years from now, you're gonna be different. You're just gonna be another person. It's not going to be the same you. It's going to be different. It's going to be fucking different. So what you guys need to do is get started. If you want to, if you're thinking about something right, oh, I wish I would have started sooner. That's mean you really want to do it. So you get started doing it now. That's the whole point. There's no, oh, I wish I would have started sooner. Oh, I wish, and then you're gonna say that again, the same shit in 4 years. You see what I'm talking about? There's no point. So get started now. So basically, let's go back to what Navarra Bakan was talking about. So it's like code media. So what I'm doing right now is one of the thing media. I'm recording a video. I'm talking about a bunch of nonsense that I think is cool. It might not be cool, what the fuck even know. And then also coding. I was talking about it. So I want to get into those two first and see what I can do and build my life a little bit, build something out of myself. That's the goal. That's my goal. That's my goal for maybe the next 8 years of my life. Just focus on building and on creating and on posting with you guys. Maybe, who knows? Imagine 8 years from now, bro. Nobody know what's going to happen. Maybe we will be in fucking World War III, bro. That's insane, but who knows, man? That's life, man. Nobody fucking know. So that's it. That's all for today. I'm going to work again tomorrow, and then see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.